In this video, we're going to show you how to create, modify, and delete styles in Scrivener. Styles combine settings to make it simpler to format your writing as you work. Styles can include settings such as the font face, size and color, line spacing, and they can include paragraph settings such as alignment, tabs, and more. There are two types of styles in Scrivener: character styles and paragraph styles. Character styles affect how letters look, and paragraph styles affect how paragraphs look. Check out our other video about styles to learn more. To create a new style, format some text the way you want in the editor. Select that text, then choose Format, Style, New Style from Selection. In the dialog that displays, do the following. Give the style a name so you can choose it later from one of the Styles menus or the Style panel. Choose a keyboard shortcut if you want. Several options are available from the Shortcut menu. In the Formatting menu, choose whether you want this to be a character style or a paragraph style. If you leave the default, Save All Formatting, Scrivener saves both character and paragraph formatting. Check or uncheck Include Font Family or Include Font Size. For paragraph styles, you may not want to include these. You have the option to tell Scrivener to draw a highlight box around the text, which makes the text stand out. You can click the color well to choose the highlight color. Finally, choose the next style that applies after you press Return after you've typed text with the style. By default, this is None, which means that the text will revert to the default formatting that you set in Scrivener's settings or options. If you choose this style, Scrivener continues to apply the style until you choose a new one. If the style you create is for body text, you usually want the same style to apply when you press Return. However, if you create a heading style, you probably want a body text style or your default settings to apply after you press Return. Styles are independent of the text they apply to. Because of this, you can change the definition of a style in your project, and all the text using that style changes accordingly. You can modify a style by selecting some text with the style applied, making adjustments to the formatting, then choosing Format, Style, Redefine Style from Selection. Choose the style to redefine from the submenu. This reformats all text in your project where you applied the style, and you can use this modified style going forward. To delete a style, choose Format, Style, Delete Style, then choose a style from the submenu. You can also right-click a style in the Styles panel if it is visible. To display the Styles panel, choose Format, Style, Show Styles Panel, or press Ctrl+S on Mac or Alt+S on Windows. The Styles panel is practical because it floats above your project, allowing you to easily apply styles. Right-click on a style in the Styles panel, then choose Delete Paragraph Style or Delete Character Style. If you delete a style, text formatted with that style won't change. You just won't be able to apply the style's combination of settings again. However, you can always recreate the style by selecting some of the formatted text and choosing Format, Style, New Style from Selection as you saw earlier. If you create or modify styles in one Scrivener project, you may want to use them in other projects. If you choose Format, Styles, Import Styles, Scrivener asks you to select a project to import styles from. If the project you choose contains styles that have the same name but different formatting, Scrivener will ask you what to do. If you choose Keep Existing Styles, Scrivener only imports new styles. If you choose Replace Existing Styles, Scrivener replaces the styles with those in the selected project. If you choose Add Imported Styles, Scrivener keeps existing and new styles and adds a number to new styles. You can check the styles and decide if you want to delete any later. You can download a 30-day free trial of Scrivener for Mac or Windows at scrivener.com.